Honor has officially launched the Magic 7 Lite smartphone in the Italian market. The Magic 7 Lite is available in titanium purple and titanium black color options. The Honor Magic 7 Lite boasts a curved 6.78-inch AMOLED display capable of rendering 1.07 billion colors with a peak brightness of 4000 nits and a 1.5K resolution. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor paired with an Adreno A710 GPU. The device operates on Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14 and offers configurations of up to 8GB RAM and 512GB storage. It features a dual rear camera setup, a 108MP main sensor and a 5MP wide-angle camera, and 16MP front camera. The phone is backed by a massive 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery supporting 66W fast charging. It is priced at €369.90 for the 8GB per 256GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.